So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy an ETF on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, what I want you to do is to go into your investing account. So for this demonstration, I will go into my RBC Direct Investing account. So once you're in your RBC Direct Investing account, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom, press on the yellow arrow, and then press on Place Order. Once you're on the place order page at the top, I want you to type in an ETF of your choosing. So for example, in this demonstration, I will type in ticker symbol VFV. This, of course, is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. So if it's an ETF, it'll say ETF right here on the right-hand side where it says ETF. So select an ETF of your choosing. Once you're here, it's going to go ahead and load. Take a couple seconds. And if you want to go ahead, you can press your account and then go through the purchase this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy an ETF on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.